Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're going to replace the gaskets on this door for a Blaze King Model Princess freestanding wood stove. There is a gasket there which is 7/8 thick, that's the door gasket, and then in the upper right hand corner there, that frayed bit, that's the glass gasket. What I'm grabbing there are the metal retainer clips that hold the glass in. These are needle nose pliers, and you use these to take the little nut off there to be able to remove those metal retainer clips. Yeah. So there's 3 on each, if I remember correctly. So there's the top, bottom, the sides. There's one of them removed there. Just showing you how they go on. And it's loose because that one's already off on that side, so you could then just pop that retainer clip right out. And to get the glass out, you only need to take out the top and the side retainer clips. That's what they look like when they're out. You don't need to remove the bottom one because you can get the glass out with it still on. That's just showing you how it goes back on, quite simply. So this is in the manual. You start at the top right hand corner, see the Blaze King logo in the bottom left. So make sure you do as the manual says, as always. Now this is the glass gasket. It's self-adhesive, so it's sticky on the one side. So what you do is you line it up center to the glass, fold it over half one side and the other half on the other side, and just kind of go around with your thumb and press it on there nice and firm. So again, there's the sticky side. Obviously that's the side that's going to be touching the glass, and just go around it slowly and fold it over and press it down firmly. There it is on there completely. And you want about a 1/2 inch overlap in that corner, which they specify in the manual. And if you don't have the manual, you can of course just get it off the internet. Flathead screwdriver here I'm going to use to clean out those metal retainer clips, because that's the channel where the 7/8 door gasket goes into, and you have to remove the old adhesive if you want the new stuff to stick in there properly. You only make that mistake once, trust me. So there's the stove and gasket cement. It's typically, $10. And there's the gasket in there, all nice and done. Very fresh looking. All right. Like the video. Thanks.